Active sent us their odor and stain eliminator for our review, and this stuff is fantastic. We have the cutest little Frenchie. However, I am not always able to continuously wash his dog bed, his blanket, and sometimes you just need to get that little refresher. So having this around is definitely key. This does not just mask the odor, it actually will completely eliminate it. And the great thing about this is you can use it for, yes, eliminating odors, but it also helps with stains. It's really nice because you have two different settings up at the top. You have the nice spray, so when this, something with like a blanket or a bed, and you just kind of want to give it a nice little refresher, and it smells like oranges. It just smells so good. This is the blanket we have in our bedroom, and after I spray it, it just, oh, that beautiful orange smell is always there. But if you have a stain, you would actually put it on kind of like the spot treatment, and I can show you the difference here. So as you can see, that really comes out nice and powerful. So if you had a stain, you would spray it on there. You would want to let it sit there, soak it up, 10, 15 minutes, and then you can just come by, wipe it. I like to wipe it with like a wet cloth, and then it just completely removes that stain. Really great. We also have a cat. She is older, and she has been, using this little area in our house to go to the bathroom. So that pet urine, that cat urine smell is really tough to get out, not with active. So this stuff is really, really handy. You can use it on multiple surfaces, which is fantastic.